Dogs at the vet, showing off their most overdramatic moments. That reaction says, damn, that's got a kick to it. Well, a giant dog using negotiation tactics to avoid a vaccine. Absolutely adorable.
Wait, no! Wait!
Fear turned him into a warrior fighting fate with everything he has.
Double check, safety first, double check.
Oh, that's a bit too dramatic, buddy, like someone's torturing you.
Tell me the dog hates getting their nails trimmed without actually saying it.
Honestly, you'd think he was being kidnapped, not getting his nails trimmed. Not sure if it's a nail trim or Grammy rehearsal. Two main actors, one clinic, and endless episodes of tragedy. That attitude was pure, don't test me. The vet probably wanted to swap shifts. Oh my gosh, he's using his entire body to say, I do not consent. Just a simple check, and he's screaming like someone's trying to kidnap him. The dog is like, no one even asked if I wanted this. Here comes the husky Queen one scream, and the entire clinic is in chaos. Well, flopping is the final language of desperation. Even a tough Malinois gets scared when it's time to see the vet. Nope, this pup is firmly refusing to cooperate today. Poor babies, they're shaking like their souls are about to leave their bodies. Oh my God! Those eyes are asking, is anyone going to save me? Oh, he grabs his own leash like, give that back. I'm not going anywhere. Oh boy, that looks like something is definitely wrong here. His eyes are wide with panic, like, are you people about to execute me? This isn't a vet clinic anymore, it's a movie set, and these dogs are professional actors. Damn, that look is like, get out of this room, I want to sleep. Wow, he's seriously protesting. Just turn around and forget the vet. Come on, you're being way too dramatic. It's just a nail trim, not the end of the world. Not touched yet, but already crying and complaining. This patient is definitely on the blacklist. He's screaming like crazy, but deep down he's just a frightened little baby.
Brick outside. I got some bad news, man. Hey, we gotta take a ride. We gotta take a ride to the vet. I know. You hate going to the vet. I know. Listen, you got just do blood work, okay? Right by your side, you hear me? Right by your side. Look, I don't take you there because I want to take you there, Treats. I take you there because I want to keep you around as long as possible. You know, every single morning, I pray to God. I ask him to keep you around.
Oh my gosh, he's holding on so tight, like afraid someone's kidnapped him. The way his back stiffened is both hilarious and heartbreaking at the same time. That sound is basically a warning, touch him and you're in trouble. Oh, hearing him cry really hurts my heart. Poor baby. So heartbreaking, his cry hits you right in the chest.
Can I say hello to you? My name's Tom. You could say hello. Hi.
He likes, you don't have to tell me twice. Poor boy trying to find his way out, but his paw is all ouchy. Viewers can tell he's more than ready to go home. Don't mess with him, tiny, body, big attack power.
Oh, Coco, stop it. You stop it.
You already know that they're gonna do something.
Nothing's happened yet, but he's already bracing himself.
Please don't pee on me. Bella.
Watching her shake like this, fear has taken over completely.
It's okay, Mommy.
Oh my gosh, nothing's even happened, and he's already shaking. It's not even his turn yet, and he's already falling apart. That look says it all. Please, let me out. I'm not going to the vet. just the smell of the vet. And he's already trembling.
Locked me up. It's like he doesn't want to fuck
The
me
ultimate
up.
escape plan locked the human outside.
Yay. You didn't want to go to the vet, why didn't you just tell me?
My puppy does not like the vet. He is such a drama queen. Doctor, want to see you. Doctor, miss you.
He's like, just consider me dead, doctor. Anyway,
Why do I see? Because he doctor.
he looks absolutely terrified. Like, what are you people about to do to me? Like, as long as my paws don't touch the floor, I'll be safe. Lying flat like this means he has absolutely no intention of cooperating.
Are you done with your nervous farts?
Stop laughing. At least get something to soothe this brave little warrior.
Coming.
Oh no, he's so scared he's completely frozen. Poor baby. That looked like I still don't think I did anything wrong. Oh my God, he screamed, like the vet was taking his soul. Oh my, look at him struggling. That's a full-on battle. Too scared to react, he just pressed his face into his dad for peace.
She figured it out.
Or go to the doctor.
So when they wake up like this from surgery, it's what's called a smooth recovery.